Hello there, I am Tugustu Zariun. This is my channel. Motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. Thank you. I'll continue grade 11 textbook, which is the second video on unit 5 is about basics of preventive maintenance. Preventive, when we say preventive maintenance, is the practice of routinely taking measures in hardware administration that reduces the risk of hardware failure. In the first video, is about troubleshooting. When you say troubleshooting, after fail or after stopping our system, there are mechanisms or ways that we found out the solutions to solve a specific problem of that system. In case of preventive maintenance, before stopping or halting the system, there are safety measures that we take from failurity, before the failurity. Just our systems may stop because of the dust or because of the unwanted or malicious programs like virus, or our system may stop by the increase or decrease of the board. Therefore, there are preventive maintenance for dust, there are preventive maintenance for unwanted programs like virus, and there are preventive maintenance for the increase or decrease of volt in this portion. Here it also improves preventive maintenance, also improves the likelihood of quick recovery in the event that a failure does occur. Maintenance activities include performing diagnosis on different hardware components such as on circuit boards and memory, and replacing any components that are show signs or excess wear. It also includes keeping hardware components clean from dust to reduce the likelihood of overheating and hardware failure. How the dust particles may stop our systems. It may include on the increase of dust inside the system. It may the consequence of overheating. May occur a contact between wires with wires and may form acid electrostatic discharge, and may sometimes block the flowing of the current inside a computer case. That always you have to keep clean from the dust. How can we keep our computers from the dust? By using the three methods, or by using these methods, we can clean our computer or we can prevent maintenance for dust. There are various ways of cleaning dust of the computer. Some examples of preventive maintenance against dust such as clothes. What type of clothes? Microsoft fiber cleaning clothes, and using a vacuum cleaner, and it can be using chemical cleaners. By using chemical cleaners, it's possible to keep our computers from failure. The outside of the computer case can be cleaned using a soft cotton, not on the inside of the computer, the outside of. When you say the outside of the computer, the mouse, the keyboard, and output device in case of the monitor or screen. Possible to use microfiber cleaning cloth. Here is a microfiber cleaning cloth. Microfiber cloth. Here is a microfiber cloth that helps us to clean a computer screen mostly. Possible to clean the keyboard and mouse using this microfiber cloth. It's not allowed to use softs to clean the screen and other components. Second one is chemical cleaner. Possible to use chemical cleaners, but it should be alcohol-free sprays such as cola cleaner in case of cleaning tablets and laptops. Third one is vacuum cleaner that helps prevent from dust particles. The vacuum cleaners. What it seems the vacuum cleaner? Here is the vacuum cleaner. Seems the vacuum cleaner here. Helps us to clean the computer.
I do IT for a living, so I use a lot of air dusters like this. I also use a lot of keyboard vacuums like this.
You have seen it's possible to clean.
That's pretty cool. So if you're looking to get either an air duster or a
computer case using this vacuum
moving duster around, you're not brushes are
helps us to clean
the air duster, and I really like the color coral. It's kind of your own.
Some peripheral devices that are found,
But let's just say
the computer case. The other preventive maintenance is running antivirus. There are unwanted or malicious programs like virus. Virus can replicate itself, itself, and it corrupts files. And sometimes it hidden files. Therefore, how can we show and scan? By using, for instance, SmartHub antivirus helps us to show hidden files. It is important to run SmartHub with parallel with other type of antivirus nowadays to protect our computers from virus. When you say computer virus, it is a type of computer program that when executed replicated itself by modifying other computer programs and inserting its own code. Computers may be infected with viruses when they are connected to the internet or when someone else's flash disk is inserted into a computer system. Where is the source of unwanted programs or virus? Mostly a network, especially wide area network, which is an internet. When we download a program or files, we have to be careful. We have to select out the right source that helps us to download the right software. For instance, file horse it's possible to use in case of computers firehorse.com to download and use free antivirus softwares and other related computer-based softwares. Using this site, possible to download variety of softwares. For instance, here is the group for antivirus, Avast, malware by Total, and other type of antiviruses. Possible to use this site. In case of mobiles, it's possible to use Play Store. It is important to use Play Store and download and use antivirus software. Antivirus, which is also known as anti-malware, the computer program used to prevent, detect, and remove malwares. Malwares are unwanted programs like Trojan horse and other related adwares. Therefore, we should download and prevent our computers from unwanted programs. The second unwanted, way that blocks or stops our system is a virus that preventive maintenance is using running antivirus. Running antivirus. The other is backup. Backup is the process of transferring data or file from a computer system or external storage device. We have a personal files inside a computer system. When we use a computer, we create files inside a computer system. But in case the system stops means we lose the files under C drive. The C drive means the files that are located under desktop also stored under C. Therefore, we can make a backup the files under this drive. It's possible to backup into partition D, or it's possible to backup into flash disk or external disk, or it's possible to backup into OneDrive or Google Drive in case of cloud drive, or in case of internet-based drives, possible to use Google Drive and OneDrive. Possible to backup into these systems. How can we backup? Let me show you in the way under control panel. There is systems and security. Systems and security. Then here is backup and restore says. But first we have to prepare the hard disk or the external disk that will helps us to store the backup files. Set up backup. When we order this, we should prepare the external hard disk or cloud drive or the other part for the drive. After backupping, it's possible to restore or recover. For instance, if we corrupt our mobile, it's possible to reset to the previous healthy time. Before performing reset, we should back up our contacts. After backupping, it's possible to recover or restore uh, the file. After resetting the file, the device, possible to restore the backup files. For instance, in case of contacts, the contacts will be registered to the original place. It's not important to register one by one. Here, the other is the scan hard disk. When old files are deleted from the hard disk and new files are saved, the files become fragmented. Thus, there are files inside the system, from text to video. The order from the smallest to the largest is text to video. Video takes a large space. Therefore, when we want to free space, when we want to make a free our computers, or when we want to improve our hard disk performance, we should free the space for the hard disk. For instance, a video should be deleted. When we delete a video, the system will be fragmented. It creates a space that is called fragmentation. Fragmentation will be occur. How can we adjust this fragmented space? How can we increase the performance of our system? Sometimes the performance of our system will decrease. On such occasion, files are deleted manually. That we should defragment our hard disk. Here is in figure the fragmented disk. It says here the sectors are separated. In case of here, different fragmented disk is arranged well. The tracks are arranged well. That for the performance will be best in case of defragmented disk. Therefore, it's possible to analyze and optimize our hard disk by performing defragmentation. Just defragment, type defragment on start menu, defragment. When you want to perform anything, it's possible to type on a start menu. There, defragment and optimize drive. If there is a large fragmentation space in percentile, we should analyze and command defragmentation to increase or indirectly to increase our hard disks or our computer's performance. It should be defragment. Here, as you have seen, never run, it says 0% fragmented. Therefore, it is LZ that it's not important to analyze and defragment. That I will leave. You can check like this your system's hard disk performance. The other is power by increase or decrease of power volt, our systems may stop. That the preventive maintenance is power protection devices. By using power protection devices, electric power causes many problems on a computer hardware component. The following tools are used as a means to prevent potential damage that can be caused by electric powers. Use the surge protector or protect against too much electricity. Use a stabilizer to ensure the level of voltage. Sometimes the voltage may increase or decrease. That the system may damage. That we should prepare such type of device, power surge protector. In addition to power surge protector, in case of computers, we should prepare also voltage regulator to make it 100% sure to the preventive maintenance for electricity. We should prepare these two devices, the power voltage regulator and power surge protector together. The other is consider using UPS, uninterrupted power supply. In case of laptop type of computers may have a battery, but not a desktop computer. In case of desktop computers, to use the computer as a laptop or to use as a battery, we can prepare as additional device which is UPS, uninterrupted power supply. Helps us to work like a battery of laptop to 5 to 30 minutes in case of desktop computers. In case the light stops means our system will stop working. That we should prepare UPS. By preparing UPS, we can make the set increase the sustainability of our computers, or we can increase the sustainability of our systems to 5 up to 30 minutes. And other preventive maintenance is shut down properly. By shutdown, when we want to stop our computers, we should carefully, or we should down our computer carefully. For instance, in case of any or stopping our any programs, first we have to close the programs. It asks us whether to save or not. In case of saving, we have to give a file name, or we have to leave. Leave if you do not want to save. Then we can properly shut down the computer. Comparing with other type of electronic device, in case of our computer, in case of digital device, in case of computers, they should have a proper shutdown ways. By using start menu, we should properly shut down to increase the performance of, or to keep the sustainability healthy, the healthy of our system, to prevent from to keep our systems to for a long period of time to be healthy. We should shut down properly. We should shut down properly the system. This is all about the unit. Thank you.